the engineer's desktop. The environment where you turn ideas into products. There used to be time to really work an idea. Sketch it out, kick it around a while. But today's aggressive marketplace has changed all that. Now there's no time. And all the reports, memos, and meetings only compound the problem. As tried and true as the old methods are, it's time to clear the desk. Make room for the new technologies now available. Technologies that will update your engineering environment and make your desktop the most productive place it can be. It's frustrating to wade through complex designs with not much more than a few handbooks, a pencil, and paper. And it's not enough to design faster. You need to verify your designs early and make timely and accurate revisions. Then, when you pass your designs on, they are ready to be drafted, prototyped, and manufactured. Quality is built into the design as errors are eliminated. To make your desk a more productive environment, what kind of engineering system would you build for yourself? IBM PC AT, the industry standard for the desktop. With Unix and DOS, the AT provides access to the widest array of software. And Ethernet allows you to share design information with other engineers. But you're a mechanical engineer, not a computer expert. What application software do you need? Solid modeling. After all, it's a three-dimensional world. Working with solids is like working with real objects. Finite element modeling and analysis. Know up front what will work and what won't. Mass and section properties. Solid models automatically provide that information. Material properties simplify the management of material information. And personal productivity tools. Word processing, spreadsheet, project management. You need help with all the reports, budgeting, and planning. For most engineers, that's where the time goes. You want all that on your desktop, in a standalone system? You've just described the ConceptStation from Aries Technology. Designed for the desktop, the powerful ConceptStation is a complete mechanical engineering environment. On the ConceptStation, you can capture your ideas, display them, manipulate them, and verify their performance in a fraction of the time it used to take. Logical, engineering-oriented menus, activated by a 3-button mouse, guide you. Use the Aries dynamic axis to create a temporary reference coordinate system, helpful in defining part geometry in 3D space. As you create geometry, the ConceptStation anticipates your approach and rapidly presents options to choose from. You simply choose the right one. Extrude or revolve 2D geometry to create 3D solid models, the most useful database format in design and manufacturing today. Or start with geometric primitives and rapidly perform construction operations to produce more complex solid shapes. Use form features to perform such operations as drilling, chamfering, or filleting, similar to how a hardware prototype would be fashioned. Another ConceptStation breakthrough allows rapid local modification of solids. Move a feature. Delete the feature. Or stretch the model to suit your needs. To communicate ideas, mark up your designs with notes and dimensions. ConceptStation assembly modeling capabilities let you design parts in the context of the higher assembly, the top-down approach, or call up completed parts from memory and insert them, the bottom-up approach. Using 3D locators, snap parts together at the proper orientation. Create your own macro programs to automate repetitive activities or to design parametrically. The Aries calculator assists with online engineering calculations. Determine minimum distance or interference easily. ConceptStation solid models not only allow you to create and visualize designs in record time, but also to test them. This engineer checks the thickness of an overhead projector arm to see if it's rigid enough. He uses the Aries Design Rule Processor, or DRP, to solve engineering equations. DRP results can directly create or modify geometry. The Aries Material Property Manager assists you in material selection. Instantaneously obtain such mass properties as weight, center of gravity, principal axes, and principal moments of inertia. Display the results graphically if you wish. For conversion between English and metric, simply change the unit setting. Perform finite element modeling and analysis right at your desk. Apply loads and designate restraints directly on solid geometry. The loads and restraints are automatically assigned to underlying nodes when the part is meshed. Now perform the finite element analysis interactively or submit it to ANSYS or MSc Nastran. The system displays analysis results with colored stress contours. For more details, merely touch the point of interest to display all components of stress or deformation at that location. Process windows simplify performing multiple tasks. For example, you can monitor finite element analysis in background mode while continuing to work interactively. Or use Windows to do personal productivity tasks such as word processing and spreadsheets at the same time as you design. Communicate design information over the Ethernet network. By supporting the IGES data transfer standard, the ConceptStation complements your existing CAD/CAM systems. The value of your design data is preserved. Design. Analysis. Communications. Personal productivity. Create a new, more productive engineering environment. Put the power of the Aries ConceptStation behind your design ideas.